You guys are not utilizing ChatGPT enough, and I don't really know why. ChatGPT has come to stay. ChatGPT is life made easy. So it's better you start leveraging that tool now. You are not even utilizing half of what ChatGPT can do, and I don't know why you have not really explored the in and out of that tool. So, for my virtual assistants that are still looking for work, we are job hunting, you have tried every platform. Have you tried ChatGPT? ChatGPT is life made easy. Like I said, we work smarter and not harder. So I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can leverage ChatGPT for your job application. ChatGPT, how ChatGPT can help you to source for job and help you to apply for jobs. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Jen Frances and I am your virtual assistant. Welcome to my community. If you want to use ChatGPT for your own good, if you want ChatGPT to work well for you, make sure that you must have already signed up on ChatGPT and that you're not just using it on the browser. Make sure that you have signed up and you have registered your account. You have an account on ChatGPT. And if you have done that, I believe that you must have already introduced yourself to ChatGPT. So if you have never introduced yourself to ChatGPT before, just go ahead to introduce yourself by saying, "Hi, my name is," you mention your name. "I am a virtual assistant with over 3 years experience. I help helping businesses and startups to achieve their business goals. I help them in administrative support and project coordination." There's something like that. Just introduce yourself and what you do to ChatGPT. Now that you have introduced yourself to ChatGPT, you can now go ahead to search for work through ChatGPT. So you can say, "With everything you know about me, can you find 10 businesses in the US or in Canada or anywhere that might need my virtual assistant services? I am especially interested in an administrative role. It must be a remote work." So when you are done typing this, you send. So ChatGPT is going to bring you answers based on what you have told him or her, or what you have told it. So ChatGPT is going to answer you based on the information that it has. It's going to answer you based on what it already knows. So, "Hi, Jennifer says, based on your experience as a virtual assistant specializing in administrative support and project coordination, here are 10 US-based companies that frequently offer remote administrative roles." So it has already brought out 10 businesses or 10 US companies that I can offer my services to. That is how sweet ChatGPT is. I didn't need to go and start sourcing the web by myself. I didn't need to go and start stressing myself. And the sweetest part about this thing is that it's going to give you the source. So it's not just that it's providing you with the answers. It's going to give you the link. There are links. You can just click on the link. When you go here, you can just click on the link to verify the answers yourself. And if you want further answers, if you are not satisfied with what ChatGPT has given you, you can just keep asking questions, keep adjusting, keep editing it till you get the answer that you want. So based on these answers, we are going to ask ChatGPT to draft an application that you can use to apply for some of the jobs that you like. So let's go ahead to ask ChatGPT to help us draft an application that we can use to apply to some of this work. So I said, "Can you draft a personalized application that I can use to apply for some of this work based on their requirements?" So ChatGPT drafted an application for us, which we are going to personalize on your own and then submit and go ahead to apply for the jobs you want to apply. You can even edit it in Canvas. ChatGPT, like, you can edit, you can copy. These are the sources. Once you click here, is the sources. You can ask ChatGPT. When you click on reason, this means think before responding. ChatGPT is going to think first before responding to your answers. If you want to search the web, you can search the web here, and you can also add upload files or upload your files to ChatGPT for easy. If you want to maybe ask a question with a picture, you can upload files. So if you want to edit this thing, you can edit it in Canvas. You can edit these things in Canvas, which will give you the ability to, once you are editing it, ChatGPT is rewriting and redirecting everything for you. So ChatGPT is just an easy way to apply for work. It's an easy way to just to make easy life made easy. So instead of you sourcing the web by yourself, you just go to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going just tell all your ChatGPT. Make sure you introduce yourself to ChatGPT so that they will have idea of who you are. So once you have done that, ChatGPT is going to be bringing a personalized, it's going to be working in your favor. Thank you for watching this video to the end, guys. I hope you can start leveraging ChatGPT now. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and also like this video if you find it useful, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.